Good morning. Our lesson today is on solving equations with variables on both sides. Okay, that means that we have hostages on both sides of the equation. Okay, so our new target for this coming up week is I can solve equations with variables on both sides. Notice that there's x's on both sides of the equation. I'm going to go through really quick. Please pause it when you need to keep up. Okay, I'm going to try to knock this out kind of quick. So, because I have class coming in. So, step one, we're going to draw a line over the equal sign. We've always done that. That's nothing new. The next is we're looking for brothers. We are going to combine like terms on the same side, if there are any. Our next one, this is where it gets new, is we're going to put all the hostages together. So we are going to move the smaller variable term using addition or subtraction. Move the smaller variable term using addition or subtraction. Our fourth step is we're going to move the constant, if there is one, away from the variable side. That's what's known as taking out that sniper. Okay, so at this point you'll have a sniper possibly. So we're going to move the constant term away from the variable side. Using addition or subtraction. In the next step, we're going to divide by the coefficient. And that's when we take out the bad guy to save the hostage. Okay? So we still are going to draw a line. Brothers. Now we're going to put all the hostages together. Take out the sniper, and then divide that bad guy. Okay? If you need to pause to write all of these down, because I went very quickly, but write all this down. Hit pause, write it down. Okay? I'm going to move on to the questions at the bottom to demonstrate. We're going to draw a line over the equal sign. I'm going to look for brothers, so I'm combining terms on the same side. So I have 8x and 6x. These are brothers because they have the same last name. 8 and 6 is 14x. On the right side, I've got more x terms. 8x and 4x is 12x plus 12. Okay, so notice now that I have x's on both sides. So I'm going to ask myself, which one is smaller? Got 14 or 12? Let's move the 12, because that one's smaller. This is the smaller group of hostages. So I'm going to subtract 12, because that's a positive 12. So I'm going to minus 12 on both sides. Minus 12x. Get down there, I got 2x equals 12. And then I divide by the bad guy to get that hostage free. So x equals 6. I'm taping. Yeah, go ahead. Okay, number 2. Draw a line over the equal sign. 6x and 7x. I don't have any like terms on this side because that's a number and that one has a last name of x, a number and a last name of x. So I don't have any brothers on this side. So I'm going to move the smaller term, which is this plus 6x. I'm going to subtract 6x from both sides. That leaves me 4 equals negative 3. 7x minus 1x is plus x. Okay? Now all my hostages are over here. I only have one hostage in this case, but I have a sniper. The sniper is minus 3. How do I get rid of a minus 3 sniper? Add 3. So I'm going to add 3 to both sides. Sniper down. Right? 4 plus 3 is 7 equals x. This is a fun one because I've got lots of brothers here. I have lots of things going on this side. I'm looking for anybody who's a brother to 6p. I have a 1p. 6p plus 1p is 7p. Plain old numbers, I've got a 2 minus 3. That's minus 1. Nothing to combine on this side. I just bring it down. I've got 7p and 8p. So I need to move the smaller group. My smaller group is 7p. I'm going to use it by subtracting 7p from both sides. Now be careful. Don't forget this. This is a minus 1 equals. 8p minus 7p is just 1p minus 8. There's my hostage. There's my sniper. I need to take out a minus 8 with plus 8 plus 8. So 7 equals p. Very nice. Last problem. I don't have any like terms. This is an x and this is a plain number. This is a plain number and this is an x. So I don't have anything to combine on the same side. Now I need to move the smaller set of hostages. I've got 1 and 4. So I'm going to move 1x by subtracting x from both sides. So these cross off. I'm taking. I have 3 equals negative 6. 4x minus 1x is plus 3x. All right, so I have all of my hostages on one side, and here is my sniper. How do I take out a minus 6? Well, I add 6. Adding 6 to both sides. Sniper down. Got 9 equals 3x. We have almost rescued our hostage of x. But we have the bad guy times 3, so we're going to divide 3 on both sides. So I get 3 equals x. I know I went very fast. Take your time, rewind, watch it a couple of times, go over the steps. See if you can do it by yourself before you start copying everything down. On the back of the paper, it says the page that you need to go to and the 3 problems out of the red book. All right, good luck.